your message amplified.
The Podbean team has recently conducted a survey, and it looks like we need a little bit of a stat refresher. So today we're going to go over all of our stats, what they mean, where it's located, and how it can be utilized to grow your listeners. All right. Going into performance. So we're going 7 days after release. We can do 14, 30, 60. You can compare average downloads for the last 10 episodes, the last 50. So it's so many ways that you can go into detail. So on my screen, you can see that we have 5 episodes to compare. These stats are 7 days after release, so the first week of analytics post-posting. So right off the rip, you can see that Podbean Amplified Season 1, Episode 12 is the best analytics-wise. After the first day, I can click on this little bubble here and it'll show me. I have 554 downloads, whereas the second place would be Episode 14 at 336. Now, these are only the stats 7 days after release. If I want to go into detail, I'm going to go back to 14 days. And just amazing stats. You can see we have a trend here. A lot of my episodes kind of correlate and do the same thing, but there's something telling me about this blue one, episode 12. What separates episode 12 as opposed to the other episodes? I can really look into maybe my layout, maybe my structure, maybe a viral topic or a guest I had on. Now we're going to go into trends. We see how our episodes are performing. What is the trend of my episodes? Boom, here we are. Let's do another custom. We're going to do 6:1 to 6:30. I'm going to hit apply, just making sure I have the correct stats. It says that I have 14.2K downloads. So all the episodes within this date range for a month, I've had 14.2K downloads. Super cool. Taking all the stats from each day, you can see how many views I've had per day with all of my episodes. You can see the total average per day for that month. And looks like I got a pretty decent trend going, up, down, up, down, up, down. And looking at those stats, obviously, I want them to go on an upward trend. So now when we're looking into analytics, I'm going to ask myself as a podcaster, what about these stats that can translate into my episode? What can I be changing about my episode, that would make my podcast better? I can look at, the little dips. So June 7th, I had a little dip. June 15th, I had a little dip. So I can really look at the episodes. Maybe my time and date of publishing is a little off. All of these stats are necessary. And when you can read them correctly, you can definitely implement them into your podcast and fine tune it. And, that's what we're here for. We're optimizing our podcast. We're reading these stats and we're hoping that we can translate these stats into more listeners. One thing that I want to point out in this stat is down here, if you scroll down, view by date or view by episode. I love these two stats because this sorting feature helps users easily identify top performing episodes within a specific period. So obviously I'm looking at May 31st to June 29th. I can see my best performing episode appear, episode 12. If I want to view it by date, boom. And if you scroll down, you can see exact statistics by day, percentage of downloads for that time period. So if I'm scrolling, I see 539, I see 580, 588. 682 right here is looking like my highest. So 682, June 18th. I don't know exactly what day it was, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. However, I know this day I had the most downloads. Super cool, super fun stats, very detailed. Now moving on to the last tab, engagement. Now engagement is specific for our episodes. So I'm going to go to episode 12 because that was one of our highest ones. With engagement, I think it's super cool. I'm going to skip down to the bottom for a second and just look right here at these stats. Call me a podcast nerd, but I absolutely love these stats. Only because it shows the latest 50 listeners on Podbean listening to your podcast. It shows you for this specific episode. And you can scroll. It says 1 play, 2 plays, 1 play. It's really important to engage your engagement. So at 0.0, almost 100% of my listeners. Okay? We're going down to about 6 minutes now. And at the 6-minute mark, you can tell that 199 plays have gone past that point. Obviously, we can go into another episode, episode 14. Average consumption time, 3 minutes and 43 seconds. A lot of different types of engagement here. All of these lines means that they played it, replayed it, stopped it, listened to it again. So really just beautiful stats. And I hope that you guys really take this into consideration when optimizing your podcast. A lot of people don't know. Sometimes it comes down to a science, and these are numbers. So plug it in, fine tune your podcast, and we can't wait to hear you amplify your message.